Hello, Mr. Ahmed, Assistant Principal at Moorhead High School. Goal for today is to create a tutorial video on how we can register for next year's classes. So for us to do that, we're going to start by going into Spud's Landing, and then we will click on PowerSchool. And as PowerSchool loads, I'm then going to go to the dashboard. Once we open up the dashboard, I am then going to find my class registration tab, and I will open this class registration tab. And from here, we are going to see some differences based upon grade. All right. In this case, I'm going to act as if I'm going to be a senior next year, so I'm going to register for senior classes. If you're a junior, the classes are going to be different. Have some discussions with your teachers on the ones in which that you are supposed to be taking, also with counseling staff. So in this case, I'm acting like I'm going to be a senior. So for my senior class, English, I'm going to choose just English 12. And I am registered for it. You might choose diverse literature or something different, but in this case, I'm just signing up for English 12. Social studies wise, as a senior, I need to take American government and also econ. For me, I haven't done either one of those, so I see American government, but not econ. For me to find econ, I need to go to the next page because there's so many classes listed, and now I've found econ, so I've now signed up for both, and they'll both populate up here in the screen. So now, thus far, I've signed up for English 12, econ, and American government. Next step is a math class. I might not have to take one as a senior. You might take one as a senior, but in this, you should see a recommendation from your teacher. So I see that my teacher recommended me to take co-taught geometry. So in this case, I'm going to go with that teacher recommendation and take the co-taught geometry. Some of you may take something different. That's up to you. Make sure you have some discussions in that choice process. So I've now chosen my math class, and now science is also a possibility for me as a senior. I've already taken my chemistry. So I want to sign up for physics since I'm a senior. So now I've signed up for a science class as well. So thus far, I have registered for 1, 2, 3, 4 credits. If I want to take PE, I can open up my PE options. And PE-wise, I am going to sign up for a couple PE classes. I want to take self-defense and also off-campus sports. So that puts me up to, thus far, I've requested a total of 5 credits. I have to be at a minimum of 6 to be a full-time student as a senior. Junior, you have to have 7. Sophomores, you'll have to have 8. So at this case, I am going to then choose my elective classes to make sure I get up to my full amount. So in the electives, there's a lot of choices here. So you got to kind of know what you're looking for when you're picking your electives. And the first one I guess I want to sign up for will be creative writing. I want to sign up for that. I haven't taken that yet. So I added that one. So I'm up to my 5.5, which still isn't enough. I still need to collect more. I'm going to register for 8. I want to be here all day. So I guess another one that I will choose will be, let's see here. Machining and metalworking says I have to have an application. I didn't do that, so I can't sign up for it. So we got to kind of look at some of these to make sure that we've done the prerequisites as well and make our choices appropriately. I've already taken biology. Forensics sounds good. I want to sign up for forensics. Also film studies. And let's see how many total I'm up to now. So I have my creative writing, film studies, forensics. Now I'm up to 6.5 total credits. I want to be at 8 because I want to take all my classes and fill up my whole schedule. So another one I think that sounds good is culinary 1. I haven't done that, but I've done advanced foods, so I have met that prerequisite. If you haven't taken advanced foods, you should not be signing up for culinary 1. And let's see, I just need 0.5 more entrepreneurship. I haven't done that one, so that sounds great as well. So now I am up to 8 total credits that I'm requesting. Okay, so I'm at my full. I'm requesting 8, and then I also need to pick some alternates in case I don't get into some of these electives. So in my alternates, I should pick 3, and they should be different than the other ones that I've already chosen. I haven't taken ag construction, so I'm going to choose that as an alternate, and then also, let's see, something else. Intro to public speaking, application required. I didn't apply, so I can't choose that. And I didn't make this one either. I haven't taken mythology yet, so we'll add that in. And also painting. I've done foundations of art, so I want to paint. And those would be my alternatives in case I don't get into everything. So I've collected my 3 alternate classes in case I don't get into my electives. And finally, to finish up the process, make sure you push this submit button. All right, I was looking at a different student, so I'm not going to push that. So make sure that you do when you are done. That's it. Have a great day, Spuds.